Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I make food for my parrots. And this is sweet potato, and I have kind of made a mash out of it, you know, a smooth mash as much as possible, like that. And I have got these veggies. Now there are a lot of veggies in here, and I've cut them into small pieces. Have broccoli and corn and yellow bell pepper and green bell pepper and red bell pepper, as well as beans and a teeny weeny bit of celery, not much, and cauliflower, carrots, and anything else. I think that's just about it. And I'm going to put all of this into this mash here. Just one piece on there, and I'm going to mix it properly into this sweet potato. So I have mixed this all in, and obviously this is like quite a lot, and I have to kind of preserve it and refrigerate it. So what I'm going to do next, I learned this online, of course. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a scoop of it and put it into this ice cube maker. What do you call that? Ice cube maker, right? Like that. I'll be back once I'm done with all of that. This is how it looks once I have filled this entire tray up. And I guess I'm going to be needing one more tray because there's still a lot more left. And I'm going to pop this into my refrigerator. And finally, this is what I have. These are the icicle cubes. I don't know if you can see them right inside. That's my little Pikachu. He's still scared of me now. Take some time to be my friend. Anyways, so, and finally my mash cubes are ready, and this is how they look. And look at them. And this is how they look. And all you need to do is heat it up, warm it up in the microwave, and give it to your little babies. Yeah. It's like that warm. It's a bit cold. So I'm going to warm this up and give it to my little babies. And I hope this video helped, because I found this online, this idea online, and I don't remember who has written the article, but it really helped me, and I have a lot of food stocked up for a lot of time now. So that should do good for me. Bye. Bye. Come. I'll put this in this.